Yes. So good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss on the next part of the topic, that is under genetics. We have till now discussed the duplicate gene, the lethal gene, the complementary genes. Now today we will be discussing on the next topic, that is supplementary genes. What are supplementary genes? Supplementary genes are a pair of non-allelic genes, one of which produces its effect independently in the dominant state, while the dominant allele of second gene is without any independent effect, but is able to modify the effect of former to produce a new trait. So see what it actually says. Let us take an example. For example, lab, a sweet pea. Over here you will be finding that we have taken two genes. So what it says are a pair of non-allelic genes, one of which produces its effect independently in the dominant state. Means suppose there is a gene K. Now this gene K is dominant, while the dominant allele of second gene is without any independent effect. Now there is another gene which is known as suppose B. Now this gene can express independently if suppose there is in this format, because this is dominant. This gene will not be able to express independently in this condition also. And when both the genes, that is K and B, when both are in dominant state, then they will be giving us a new trait. So let us see an example. I have taken over here K gene to be as a color which is known as khaki color, that is the color of the dress of the policeman, and small k represents buff color. Buff color means the color of lightish yellow. When we see the sand of the desert from far away, it appears to be as lightish yellow. So what we will be doing, let us take two parents, and over here K gene is the one which can independently express itself even in the presence of B gene, and the B gene, see, effect indeed in the dominant state, while the dominant allele of second gene is without any independent effect but is able to modify the effect of former to produce a new trait. But this B gene will never be able to express independently if the K gene is present in the dominant state. So now let us take an example. Now this is a parental generation, and this is a totally recessive one, where you will be finding that the color of this one is, I have taken buff color. This is the parental generation. So in the F1 generation, what you will be getting? So this color will be a chocolate color. Now this is the new trait. See, in this gene, both the K and both the L are present together, and so therefore it gives a new trait, and I have given this new trait to be as the chocolate color. So now see what will be in the second generation, that is in the F2 generation, how it will be forming. In the F2 generation, the gametes will be forming will be as I said that when both the capital K gene are present in a single allele is present in a single gamete, then it will be always having the Now, as I said, when in a single gamete, if both the genes are capital K and capital L is present, then this will be representing, or we will be writing it as chocolate color. Similarly, over here, one of the allele is capital L and this is capital K, so this will also be chocolate color. This one will also be chocolate color. This one will also be chocolate color. Over here, one capital L is present, both the K dominant gene of K is present, so it will be chocolate color. Capital K gene is only present and small L, so it will not be producing any effect, since as I said that when K gene is dominant, whatever the condition may be, if this gene is a recessive one, then it will not be able to produce its effect. So over here it will be having a khaki color. This one again over here, it is having capital K and capital L, so it will be a chocolate color. This one will be